Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set and start your drying cycle wirelessly in LG Dryer RC. So, if your appliance is connected to your smartphone application, so we can start, but if not, you can find the other video on our channel that you when we explaining how you can connect your ThinQ application with your dryer. Okay, let's go. And the first step, let's go to your dryer and hold the anti-crease function for 3 seconds to enable the remote control. Okay, I think I have a problem because my door are open, so let's try to close it. Okay, let's turn off the device, then turn it again, the best way to repair everything. And now select your program and hold the anti-crease function remote control. Okay, it's turned on, so we can go back to the smartphone application. Now let's open your dryer, and as you can see there are a few options to set. We can change or set the auto drying cycle. You can also download the other cycles, like the authorization. Just click on the manage, and as you can see there have downloaded cycles. Okay, I have selected the Cotton Plus. Now you can set the dry level from the ironing to the cupboard or extra. Then you can also set the Eco Hybrid function that you want to save the energy or the time. If you want to enable the anti-crease function, just click on this switcher. You can also set it the delay start, so click on this button, and now you can set the end of the cycle time. Then click on the start, and that's it. This how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.